This telescope finds stars for you? Celestron 114LCM review. No star maps needed. Let's be real, you ever squint at the night sky and wonder if you're staring at a star, a plane, or your neighbor's drone? Same. You bought a telescope hoping to uncover Saturn's rings or dive deep into nebulae, but instead? You got tangled in star maps, blurry focus, and cold feet at 2 a.m. Half your time is spent finding the right object, only to lose it minutes later. It's frustrating. You feel stuck, like your curiosity is miles ahead of your equipment. The vibe? Big dreamer. Bad tools. No thanks. And then it snowballs. You start avoiding the whole setup. The tripod feels clunky. The optics? Meh. The beginner-friendly scope you bought? Turns into a guilt trip on a shelf. Meanwhile, the stars continue doing their cosmic show, without you. Missed sky tours, lost bonding time with your kids, dates that could have been magical, all sabotaged by tech that's supposed to help. If you're burnt out, bored, or blaming yourself, stop. It's not you, it's your telescope. Meet the Celestron 114LCM, your co-pilot to the cosmos. This isn't just a telescope, it's a freaking astro-butler. With a push of a button, this computerized Newtonian reflector finds over 4,000 celestial objects for you. Yup, it literally moves on its own and tracks stars while you chill with your hot cocoa. The NexStar Plus hand control is like a cosmic concierge. And with the SkyAlign feature? You just center any 3 bright objects, and boom! It knows where it is. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to total night sky domination. This scope is the largest and brightest in the LCM fam, with a 114mm mirror that slurps in starlight like a black hole at brunch. Expect vivid views of Jupiter's moons, Saturn's rings, and deep space eye candy like the Orion Nebula, all on night 1. It comes preloaded with 2 eyepieces, a red dot Finderscope, a full-height tripod, and even Starry night astronomy software for digital sky exploration. Want more? Tap the Sky Tour button and get a curated list of what's hot in the sky right now. It's like Netflix, but celestial. So don't waste another clear night fumbling with focus knobs or rage-googling star charts. Thousands of happy stargazers have already upgraded to the 114LCM and unlocked the universe effortlessly. Don't wait for another missed meteor shower or a telescope-shaped disappointment. This is your sign. Hit that link, grab yours, and finally experience the sky the way it was meant to be seen. Crisp, clear, and completely unforgettable. Act now, your universe is waiting.